I was looking back at my teen years. God, I used to have jet black hair, believe it or not. Oh God, I'm getting gray. I don't like gray hair. I don't like it at all. I don't want gray hair. I hate gray hair. That's just terrible. At 32, I got gray hair and I did not enjoy it. And I took a piece and I looked at it and I had gray hair. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm falling. No, this is a nightmare. Not at 32. Oh yes, you can get gray hair at 29, 25, 24. This is ridiculous. I like my jet black hair. I don't want anything to interfere with it. Oh, but eventually we have to have gray hair. Didn't you know that? Thanks, Mother Nature. How dare she dye my hair like this? No. Yeah, I'm starting to get grays. I hate it. How many of you hate having gray hair? Let me know. Oh, God. It's annoying. You know what? Maybe I should dye my hair jet black. That's what I'll do one day. Dye my hair one day. I'd love to dye my hair one day. I just don't know. I'm gonna dye my hair jet black. Yep. I am. Don't worry, folks. I'll be dyeing my hair and I'll look different. Dye it black. I don't really care what people think. I have to. One day, I'm going to. I just don't know when. How many of you dare me to summon Bloody Mary? Let me know. That I'll be standing at the mirror chanting this evil spirit named Bloody Mary and watching her come out the mirror, which I'll have so much fun. I love to taunt Bloody Mary. Okay, how many of you dare me to summon Bloody Mary, the Candyman, or Baby Blue, Blue Baby? Let me know if I should do any of those urban legends and you tell me. Because summoning any of those invite an entity into the home. If not Bloody Mary, I'll have a visit from an entity. But, you know, today was weird. I was in my kitchen and I heard noises in the laundry room after Elvira was in her crate. And I'm like, Elvira, how did you get from your crate to there? I opened the door and there was no dog in there. Elvira was not in there. But I've been hearing scuffling in there. And my dog isn't even in there when I hear it because she's in the crate. And this happens quite a lot when I put the dog down for a nap. It's getting quite often. It's like I live in a haunted house, kind of. Let me know what you think it is and tell me about it. If you think it's a poltergeist, let me know in the comments down below. If you've seen a poltergeist, let me know.